Welcome back to CHUP Jalan, and this time things are about to get seriously splashed.
We are now at Songkran Festival. So Mia, what challenge are we going to do today?
Today we're going to do something really fun. But it's not me and you today, it's you and
Harry!
Harry?
Yes, Harry. No, Harry, double R-Y. I'm from the UK. UK Perdana.
Go, let's go.
Let's go! Woo, Songkran!
Okay, so blindfold
Songkran challenge.
So what you gotta do is look at all this food.
Stop! What is this?
This one, no.
Yeah.
No.
Blindfold and choose your food. But what if I stomach it? Pipi kan ada.
Because we are covered by Team Protect Travel Insurance.
The fate is in your hands.
Okay, what's anything?
Okay, let's go.
Left or right? Left or right?
Which one is better?
Right one.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Oh no.
This one, both of you guys choose together. Dessert time. You choose right, you?
Okay.
Yum.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Your yum sounds so
Yum is so fun.
so sad.
Left or right?
Right. Yummy.
That is right. Left. You?
Right.
Okay, left and right. Don't forget, they want both.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3.
No. Ayo, mengenang nasib bro.
What is this?
Chicken feet. Where's water? Where?
Cheers!
You eat first.